Treatments for eczema in babies. Treatments for eczema in babies can be a little thin on the ground, which is pretty tough to bear if your little one is a sufferer. Doctors will do all they can, but many medical treatments focus solely on the symptoms of eczema instead of the roots. There are a few tips to follow that may help you get some real relief for baby. Tip 1. Bath baby as often as you can, ideally twice a day. Obviously take extra special care that the water is the right temperature. 85 degrees is about perfect for battling eczema. When you clean baby, use toiletries that are aimed for babies, and always try to use natural unscented products. The perfuming chemicals in many products can have awful effects on eczema ridden skin, not what we want for our little guy. Tip 2. Moisturize the little fellow. It's a pretty obvious fact that the higher the moisture content in human skin, the less itchy it is. Itching is a particularly large factor in baby eczema, as baby doesn't know what's happening. This causes them to become more and more stressed and upset, which in turn only affects the itching and makes it worse. It can be a vicious cycle, and hopefully you can keep your little one out of it by regular moisturization. It's best to do this after bathing. And obviously use the correct products for infants, especially unscented stuff. Bedding. Bedding and clothing can be a big factor in eczema, because it rubs against our skin night and day. This is especially true for baby. Can you imagine being swaddled in a fabric that was itching you non-stop? It would drive the little guy crazy. To make sure the bedding and clothing is in the best possible way for the baby, try to use things that are made from only the very softest 100% cotton, and keep it laundered frequently. The more frequently it is cleaned, the less bacteria will have a chance to build up. It's also a good idea to make sure that any detergent used in the laundry is very mild and scent-free. Another point is to bear in mind that your own clothing may also irritate baby, so avoid woolen fabrics and anything else itchy. Seeing your little one suffering with eczema can be one of the worst feelings in the world. The tips above can give you a little power to fight back, and hopefully earn some peace for your baby. Visit in www.newnice.info/cure-eczema, or click the link in description to learn more.